Welcome students. Today's our topic is logical operators. Logical operators. When we are working with the logical operators, any number greater than or less than the 0 evaluates to true and 0 evaluates to false. Now see how we have to see here. The logical operators are AND or exclusive or not equal, not. So that is. Now, AND operators return true if both x and y are equal. In the case x and y, if we are having the value x and y, x is equal to 1 and y equal to 4, it return if both x and y are, you can say, equal. So both x and y equal to, so it returns the true or 1 or false or 0. So that is the same thing. Or returns true if either x or y is true. X or y. If x is true and y is false, it returns true. If x is false, y is true, then it returns the true. Either or, the value of this 6 or 9, that is both are 0 or 0, then true or 1, false or 0. So that it returns. Now x exclusive or XOR. So that is that return true if only x is true and only y is true. So 1 XOR 1 is returning false, 0, or if it is true then it returning 1. So that is. Now not returns true if x is false and false if x is true. So in that way. So this is the not 0, it is true or 1. So in that way we had to be just to having the logical operator. See the example that clarifies more. If x equal to 50 and y equal to 30. So in the first, x is equal to 50, that is comparative operator. If it returns true, and y is equal to 30, it returns true. So both are true, then the output are true or success and success. So that is. The output is echo and success. That's why this AND operator is success. If x is equal to 50 and $y is equal to 20, so the first, that is x equal to 50, is true, or then or logical operator is there, and $y is equal to 20 is not true, that is false. Still either one is true, then also it will return the true, and that is it gives the output or success. Now in the XOR, if x is equal to 50 and XOR y is equal to 20, so this is also exclusive or is success, as returns true if only x is true. Not is to be only x is true or only y is true. So in either case it is written the success. Then another is the AND operators. Okay, that is also the AND operator, and this is we have to be write in the symbol, the AND operator, which we can also write in the OR symbol is in symbolic operator, and another is not equal to z. Okay, so it's success because there is no z. Is not $z? Yes, it's not $z, that's why it's success. So not is success. Now These are all the logical operator example. Another is example is for leap year. If we are having the dollar year, that is we are given the value of year is 2014. Now this is leap year. When we have to calculating it is divided by 400 or by 4 or but not the 100. In that case, century is always not a leap year. That's why this but not is 100. So dollar year is modulus of 400 is equal to if the value of this is true or the value of dollar y modulus 100 is not equal to true, and either or and dollar years modulus of 4 should be equal to 4. So if either condition and the true condition, then so this is the example of leap year, and the year is a leap year, or else the year is a not a leap year. So that is, this is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 4. So this is the example. Okay, thank you to all of you.